God gave a command to the nation of Israel to build a tabernacle, which is in Hebrew, Mishkan, Oel. God spoke to Moses in Exodus 25:22, "And I will meet you there, and will speak with you, above the mercy seat, from between the two cherubs, which are on the ark of testimony, all which I shall command you, concerning the sons of Israel, and I will meet you there, and will speak with you, above the mercy seat, from between the two cherubs, which are on the ark of testimony, all which I shall command you, concerning the sons of Israel." The tabernacle was called also with following names: the tabernacle of the congregation, the tabernacle of testimony, the tabernacle of witness, and the tent of the testimony, because the law of the Lord was put to the ark of covenant. The nation of Israel wandered in the wilderness, following by day a pillar of cloud, and by night a pillar of fire. During the whole time of wandering, they carried the tabernacle with them. The task of the Levites was to carry the tabernacle, and all its instruments. When we speak generally about the tabernacle, we want yet to finally touch this point, that the Israelites saw the cloud of the Lord all the time, while they wandered in the wilderness. This is spoken of in Exodus, in the last chapter of the book, and this chapter ends with these words: "For the cloud of the Lord was upon the tabernacle by day, and fire was on it by night, in the sight of all the house of Israel, throughout all their journeys." The camp of the Israelites was very large, because at least 2.5 million Israelites were there. Balaam had to rise to 7 different hills of the mountain, that he could watch the whole camp with its all tents. How could the Israelite therefore find the tabernacle, especially if his residence was in the rear of camp? The pillar of cloud was seen everywhere around the whole camp, and it could be seen in the daytime and at night. Not even one of the Israelites needed to be uncertain about where the tabernacle of the Lord was, where he could get connection with God. Oh, what a miraculous and comforting point this was to the child of Israel. It was remarkable that those divine appearances, which were given to Moses on the mountain, ended immediately when the tabernacle was erected, even though there were not yet given many orders concerning this tabernacle. God informed his will through Moses and through all prophets of Israel, so that through their agency the nation could get information about God, because nobody had been able to meet God nor associate with him anywhere else other than in the tabernacle. That is the reason why this tent was called the tabernacle of the congregation. In other words, tent of association. Here people associated with God. It was a bond between God and his nation. If someone from Israel wanted to approach God, he went to the tabernacle. There was no other way. And if someone now wants to approach God, he has to go to Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah, who is patterned after the given tabernacle.